Alright, man, this is a 2007 i4 Toyota Tundra 5.7 V8, and what I'm going to be showing you right here is how to replace headlight, the headlight in it if your headlight bulb's off. And I'll show you right here. I'll show you it was during the night. Check out the video, and then I'll make you another video on how I did the passenger side. I was fixing the head out. One light's working, the other light ain't working. I've seen many videos where they tell you you have to take off this whole assembly to change out the light bulb in there, which is not true. You can actually change the light bulbs in there without removing that assembly on this Toyota truck right here. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, it's already got pretty dark out here, but I'm changing the light bulb like I was showing you. Okay, from here you go to the back. To the back right there where the light bulb is. I already removed this wire from the light bulb because I wanted to show you there's a tab right there. If you look at right there where that tab, at the back of the tab at the end right here, where it ends, you want to push down. You want to push down on the tab right there. You're gonna push down. When you push down like that, you'll be able to unhook it. The light bulb already fell out already because I was showing you. You'll be able to unhook it right here because it's gonna be popped in there right here. See, and you can take the light bulb off easy, but then it's gonna get stuck there with the wire because the wire is kind of short. Remember, you want to remove this clip first, and to remove that clip, you push down back here, squeeze it down, and let me see if I can show you from right here. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Right there. Okay, when you get to this little gimmick right here, you're gonna squeeze down, and you pull it out like that. See, that easy. And to put it back in, it'll just pop right in. When you line it up, put it in. That's it. To take it out, remember towards the back where you got to push down, you're able to flip it out pretty easy. And the light bulb, you can just twist it, pull it out. Get your new one. Let me get this right here situated so I can show you the recording what I'm doing. Alright, then you just grab your new light bulb. They recommend you don't touch it, try not to touch it. And they recommend to put like they can sell you some grease and stuff you can put it. I did buy it, but I'm not putting it because they don't come with it like that, and I don't like putting it on there. You're just gonna reach in there, line it up when you put the light bulb in. Make sure you don't break it as you're putting it in there. Line it up. Once you got it lined up in the right spot, just twist it down. You make sure you twist it all the way down so it's connected. And now you just grab the wire, hook it back in. Now go turn it on and it should be working. Yep, we got light. Both lights are working now. That's a little brighter because that's new. Okay, now we got both lights running good. Like I said, it was easy to put on back here. Just come to the back and you got your unscrew it there. Same thing here. If you can just move the battery and screw it there, it'd be a lot easier. Then when you come over to this side, I might change this side tomorrow, I'm not sure, but same thing. You get in there real easy. Disconnect it, you move this, unscrew it, put the new light bulb. These are even easier right here. But like I said, the other videos I watched, they have you remove this whole unit. People were trying to get to this back here to pull this off to get everything off. Once you pull these screws off, you can get in there, unscrew the rest of the light fixture, and pull it off. So there you go. Been put on. Both light bulbs now work. Don't gotta worry about getting in trouble. Like I said, it was pretty easy. Give you another look. Boom, boom. Don't look at the other videos. Always watch like extra videos. Don't just watch one and go by that. Watch the other one and see what's going on. Right here, I gotta replace the battery. It's getting all messed up and everything. So it's an old battery. Remember, don't do like the other videos and remove all them screws and remove this whole unit to just change the light bulb, because it's actually pretty easy. Sometimes the cover, this is like where up, they'll have like a plastic cover kind of cover it, and you got to move it out of the way and you'll be able to see it. Same thing with this side. This side is easier to get to all the stuff. But thank you for watching my video. I will have some more videos going up on this truck. I'm gonna be replacing this belt right here. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a video on how to replace this belt. You gotta pull off the bottom plate and everything to get to it. And we'll see what other videos I'm gonna make here, man. But subscribe so you can watch them videos. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. This is a Toyota Tundra 5.7 V8. Okay, here's what I use. I use the Silver Star Ultra H11 light bulb on the. I replaced both the driver's side and passenger side, and you can watch the video on both of them. I got 2 different videos up on it. And thank you for watching. And I put this towards the end because I thought about it. Well, some people might want to know the size of the light bulb, even though it's just showing, my video is showing you how to change it, not what size, because there's all different kinds of light bulbs you can put out there. This just happened to be the one I use. Not this light bulb, of course. This is the one I kept this one because this one's still good, but the light bulbs that were in here are already inside the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Come back to watch my videos to learn how to do it the easy way. All the stuff. Okay, for y'all who stuck around towards the end of the video, you'll get to see this. I was riding down the road. There was a van flipped over. Here's the bottom of it. Here's a closer view. And I thought it was pretty neat, so I put that up there for y'all. Here's a little bit more closer view right here. You can see the bottom of a van. If you've never seen the bottom of a van completely, well, here you go. It's pretty neat. But anyway, the people were all right. And I took this picture while back here. I just thought it was weird because I drove by and I seen everybody there and vehicles laying over down here, around here. All right. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Subscribe.